one, fight.
What's happening, Rolling Stone Brasil. I almost forgot. No, I didn't.
Can you say something in Portuguese?
Bike.
All right.
It ruined my whole entire career. What did he just say to us? What's going on, Rolling Stone Brasil? Yeah. Peace and love and happiness and Team Mai.
What's up, bro?
What's happening? What's happening?
What a pleasure to meet you, bro. I
man.
have no words to describe this moment, but I will try in this interview, all right? So let's get started talking about your Latin American tour.
Hey.
And how's it feeling right now, with a couple of concerts, and you have 4 shows in Brazil.
Mm-hmm.
São Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Curitiba, and Porto Alegre. What are your expectations from the Brazilian crowd now that you're coming through solo?
I don't have too many expectations other than to have fun. I'm very excited to be here. As soon as I'm done, I will go record shopping as always in tradition. Every time I come here, this is like a bit of peace and like happiness for me. So I'm excited.
Good. I'll be there tomorrow, so I
Oh,
can't wait
cool,
till this
man.
moment. I saw you on the Kendrick Lamar.
Yeah.
Last concert.
What a great moment in life.
Yeah.
And
talking about your Brazilian musicians that you like you even collaborated with Pedro Martins more recently, and also you were a big fan of Milton Nascimento.
yeah.
So there is anyone else we can add to this illustrious list of Brazilian musicians that you like, that you admire?
Oh my gosh. I mean, there's a lot of different artists. There's a couple that I've been listening to just on repeat recently is Guinga and João Bosco. And those are the 2 that I've been repeatedly playing. I don't know, there's many different artists, but those are the 2 that have been in rotation for me right now.
All right, good. Different.
Yeah.
We can expect some regular names, but no.
Yeah, no.
You go ahead, you search from.
Yeah, man. I was going and digging and looking and
Yes, sir. That's good.
find something,
Yeah. And talking about your discography, it is crazy and diverse. You've worked with Tame Impala, Erykah Badu, some legends like Bruno Mars, Anderson .Paak, and the list goes on. But can we expect more from Thundercat feats and productions?
Yeah.
This year or soon?
I mean,
I have a guess.
yeah.
Yeah. Last week, Rolling Stone USA announced that Steve Lacy will drop his new album, White Heart.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. Are you in it?
I don't know.
Are you on it?
I couldn't speak on it if
All
I
right.
was.
Don't lie to me, sir. That's all right.
No, but again, Steve Lacy, one of my favorite musicians. I am proud to see him on the cover of Rolling Stone magazine. What a great moment. Good God.
Since the internet.
Since the internet, yeah.
That's cool.
My such a beautiful person to watch grow and become a shining star. Goodness, I don't know. But as far as collaboration, me and Steve will always be working together.
Good. All right. So I can wait. I'm a big fan of both. And talking about your solo projects,
My man.
are you creating while you on tour, or you just live the moment, enjoy the tour and?
It's I always like to think of things as a healthy balance creatively. It's like sometimes it's like just a mixture of all of the things together create a different environment. I haven't really recorded on tour in a very long time. But I also this whole new process for me working and creating it's been different ever since the last album. A lot of things have changed, and being okay in this moment, you know, knowing that I never stopped working, it just changed. That's all.
You gotta be moving.
Yeah, man. You know, as a musician, it's important.
It's very good. And talking about you drown in so many genres, you explore so many searches, and you are an explorator, you know? So talking about the jazz, the R&B, and the funk, how do you see the evolution of these
genres? Man.
Yeah, and in recent years, and what kind of legacy do you hope to leave behind you?
As we were talking about Steve Lacy earlier, I think what he represents right now in music is so needed. You know, I think that the legacy is something that is constantly building and working towards, of course. And I feel like every time I hear Steve on mainstream radio, I feel like this is part of the legacy of the music that is being left, you know?
We got it.
Yeah, because I think that this was also missing for so long. You know, and it's like no diss to rap or, you know, like I love all music.
Good.
But it's one of those things where there was heart lacking in the music that was being created and presented all the time. Like in different manners, and melodic and harmonic, and you know, the age of where everybody's gone from sampling to making their own beats again, and everybody's like guys like McGee, Steve Lacy, Dijon, Zach Sikoff. Like these are the legacy that are. It's like a wheel again. It's like it's the evolution of the music again, you know, and from Sid to it's a beautiful thing to watch. It feels like music is returning to musicality.
And it's an endless cycle.
Yeah. You know, everybody always looks at, I think that like, I was talking to Benjamin Paulin, the designer, you know, and we were talking about the art of generations. And he was saying something along the lines of like, the success of the art is not indicative of the greatness of the art. And the greatest artist of the generation will not be heard by everybody. He may die alone, penniless and crazy. And I was like, you know, again, Benjamin Paulin is amazing. You know, it's furniture, oh my God. But when he said this to me, I was like, it was a realization like, man, like things we kind of, you know, these things like this sometimes, but you have to be grateful for the moments even still when something shows up, like again, Pink Panthers. Oh my, you know, it's like, it's beautiful because she is our own entity in the music. Steve Lacy, McGee, you know, and I would personally, on a personal level, I'm happy to be alive in this moment with these people. And, you know, again, Bruno and Andy, they are titans, you know? Again, Bruno. This is true.
Yes, sir.
Very true.
Yes, sir. It's a whole new generation, and I am sure that you are an inspiration for a whole new next generation.
Yeah, man.
Next, you know, so.
Yeah, I hope that this will, you know, I hope to keep creating and to keep contributing, and
yeah, your art talks by yourself. You know?
Thank you.
So, and my last question is more experimental. So, is there any song or project or collaboration that you wanna do sometime?
It's so funny because
it cannot be right now, but something totally unexpected from your public, like
unexpected.
Yeah, you
mean they can be dead
so
too?
many genres, you know.
I can choose to collaborate with somebody dead.
people.
Karen Carpenter. That was it. Number one, Karen Carpenter. No, somebody I would have loved to collaborate with.
Yeah, your dream collab. And,
Dream collab?
And I don't know, some genre you don't see you producing music right now, but one day you wanna test, you know.
Test? Well, I mean, if I keep it simple, it's funny because my brain is just now turning on. I would love to collaborate with McGee and, you know, Zach and Dijon.
Cool.
That's, yeah. Yeah.
All right. This was Thundercat, one of the best basses of all time, according to Rolling Stone USA and Rolling Stone Worldwide, you know.
Aha.
And I can't wait to your solo tour here in Brazil. All right. What a pleasure. Thank you.
Amen.
Let's go.
Rest in peace, Ozzy.
Rest in peace, Ozzy.
Yeah. And Malcolm Jamal Warner. Yeah.